Hello again, everyone. So I am on the distance learning website, and as you can see, this is the link to get to the website. If you forgot, make sure you bookmark that. You'll be needing to come back each week. Go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to select the class period that you have. I'm going to go ahead and click on third and seventh period, and you'll notice that week 1 is still available and week 2 is now available. So we're going to click on the early African kingdoms, and you will see, as usual, our video lecture in the upper right-hand corner and the required Google form with 10 questions. Remember, you can resubmit these as many times as you need to. And also remember, with forms, we see your score automatically. So you do not need to attach this to your Google Classroom assignment. Scrolling down to section 2, remember, these are optional, but as always, it's nice to have some extra practice sometimes. So we have flashcards, interactive map, and a Kahoot, which you can play on your own if you're feeling like playing a game today. Step 3 is required. So you want to read the directions carefully and determine how many you need to do for this week. Your options are option A. You'll be looking at those 2 explorers, Ibn Battuta and Marco Polo, and it will be a guided reading, meaning there's going to be a space for you to write your answers on the side and a text for you to read in the middle. So you're going to be comparing the achievements of both of these 2 explorers and jotting it down in the doc. Because it is a doc, you will need to attach this to the assignment week 2 assignment turn-in. And if you forgot how to do that, just scroll down and there's a video that shows you how right here. The second assignment that you can choose from is the Africa Digital Map activity. So you want to go to our Google Classroom and press on this map. I have created a assignment for each of you, so you just need to press on that, and it should take you to another website where you can play around with figuring out where the major places are in Africa. So at the very top of this assignment, you will see a link to a helpful map that will help you to identify where those places are. Okay, so this assignment is automatically graded. You do not need to attach it to week 2 assignment turn-in post. For choice C, you guys are going to be reading about the Catalan Atlas and how it was created in the 1300s. This is going to look like an image with 5 hyperlinks. So if you look here, see these numbers, each of these numbers are hyperlinked, and if you press on them, they will take you to information so that you can fill out the question sheet here. It's linked on the bottom. So the image has the information with the hyperlinked numbers. The question sheet down here is a doc where you're going to write down your answers, and you will have to attach that to Google Classroom. The last assignment should look familiar. This is your reverse visual vocab, and just like all of the reverse visual vocabs we have been doing so far, you just need to write the definition, match it to the vocab word. There is a word bank, and then again, you'll have to attach that to Google Classroom, and if you forget, there is a video down here as well. So those are your 4 options. Remember to read the directions carefully and determine which 2 or 3 you need to do. If you scroll down further, these are some extra resources. So if you want to learn a little bit more about African culture or African history, you can watch a video about curing meat. Curing meat was really important because not only did it add flavor, but it preserved food and provided salt, especially if you live in a hot climate. That's really important. And then down here, we have a recipe for jollof rice. So if you end up making this recipe, please post a picture. I would love to see what you create. That's all for today, guys. I know I miss you incredibly. Please let me know how you're doing. And as always, you can keep contact and ask questions through email, Remind, or Google Classroom. Take care, everybody.